Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the battery pack and unplugging any cables. This prevents shorts and keeps parts in order. Next, use a T8 Torx to remove the 5 screws, remembering one is under a label. Once done, insert a plastic spudger at the seam and pry slowly. The clips are fragile, so work evenly around the shell. Keep screws grouped and photograph ribbon locations for reassembly. This sets you up to separate front and back halves without damaging internal components or connectors. Once the shell halves are apart, you'll see the PCB, triggers, and thumbstick modules. You must remove these carefully. First, disconnect ribbon cables by lifting their locking tabs with a flat pick, not by pulling the cable itself. Then unscrew mounting screws for the PCB and lift it straight up, keeping foam pads and metal contacts aligned. Remove thumbsticks and D-pad if swapping shell colors. Make sure to track each small part's orientation and place them in a labeled tray so reassembly is painless and accurate. You now fit the PCB into the new shell, aligning screw posts and ribbon slots. This matters because misalignment causes stuck buttons or poor contacts. Reconnect ribbon cables with their locks and press the PCB down, then reinstall screws including the hidden one under the label. Snap shell clips closed evenly and reinstall batteries. Before finishing, power on and test every button, triggers, sticks, and rumble motors. If a control is unresponsive, reopen and verify ribbon seating. That's the single.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.